how's it going, everybody? Today we have a pretty interesting topic. So let's go ahead and read it real quick. So it says, given a pointer to the head of a linked list, right? Insert a new node before the head, right? It says the next value in the new node should point to the head, right? Okay, and the data value should be replaced with a given value, right? Return a reference to the new head of the list, right? It says the head pointer given may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty, right? So pretty much to tell us a couple of stuff, right? It says complete this function, right, that's given to us, right, on the right hand side. And it says that it has the following parameter, right? It has the single linked list, right? A reference to the head of the list, right, which is good. It says data, which is the value that we need to that's going to be inside all of our new node, guys, so which is important, right? So he says the first line, which is the input, right, which we don't have to worry about. They're taking care of that for us. So pretty much, guys, we're going to be given this list, right, in our job, right? It's pretty much going to be to insert this new node, right, what I'm saying, inside of the linked list, right? So yeah, so pretty much, guys, it's going to be very pretty easy, guys. So the way we're going to approach this, right? So you could even think about it like that, right? So pretty much into the linked list, that's how it looks like, right? So, and we need to insert at the head, right? So the data, let's say this example, right, we're given it data is equal to the new node, right? The data, right, is equal to 2, right? I mean 0, right? So let's say whatever value you want it to be, it doesn't matter. They're not sorted, so it doesn't even matter. Right now I did it sorted, but to keep it, 0, right? So say the data, a new node of 0, right? So we need to insert it before at the first, right, at the head, right? So now the head now is pointing at 1, right? You know what I'm saying? Because the 1 is the head of the new, you know what I'm saying? So now we need to insert that new node, right, at before 1, right? So the way we're gonna do it, guys, can be very intuitive, right? So pretty much, guys, we're gonna create the new node, right? So we create this new node, right? So it's gonna be chilling by itself, right? So 0, right? We just create it, you know what I'm saying? So it gets created, right? And then now what we're gonna have to do, guys, we're gonna have to so now by itself, right? So now we need to point it to the new head, right? So what we're gonna do, guys, we just do this node, that next, right, and point it to 1, right, to the original head, right? And then now we return 0, right, as the new head, right? So because yeah, we just point it to the 1 and then we just go like that, right? So just like that. So instead of returning 1, right, we return 0 because 0 now is that head, right, which is exactly what they want, guys. So we're gonna handle the edge case where the list is empty, right? There's nothing there. We will simply just return a new node, guys. What I'm saying. Yeah, so let's fully able to understand that. So that's pretty much what they're doing right there, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, so that's how the algorithm is gonna work, guys. So let's go ahead with the implementation, guys. So pretty simple, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're going to pretty much, so let me copy that real quick. So I copy that, right? So we're gonna create the new node that we talked about, guys, right? So new node, right, is gonna equal to a new node, right? And then we're gonna populate with the data, right? I'm saying initialize that data, right? And then now once we do that, guys, we do new node that next points to the head, right? The original node, and then we return that node as the the new node, right, as the result, guys. So compilation error. So let me just see what's going on. Oh yeah, let me just make sure to comment those out, right? I was like, what's going on right now? Should be simple. All right, cool. Press submit, guys. Perfect, guys. We passed all the test cases, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys found value, give me a like. If you guys are new here, subscribe, because I'll be doing a lot of other videos just like this one. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next one.